FLATLINER with Christiane. Yes, we can. Let's learn FLATLINER. 32 counts, 4 walls, 1 restart on wall 3 after 16 counts, and it has a 16 count introduction. Let's go. So this is the preview of the steps. Sailor step, toe and heel and pivot, half, body roll, clap, clap, and triple step, step, heel split, and heel, toe, heel, and walk, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. First 8. Sailor step, toe and heel and. Awesome. With counts 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And right step, half pivot, right step, half pivot, drop, body roll with your right toe up and your knee up, and then and clap. Good. Counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Third count of 8. 3 triple steps, making a 3/4 turn over your right shoulder. So we're going to end up there. So we're going to go triple step to our new wall. Then left comes to right and a heel split. All right. One more time. We just did our clap, clap. So it starts with our right foot's free, so it starts right triple step, left triple step, right triple step, together heel split. With counts 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Awesome. Last count of 8. We do heel swivels to the right, toe, heel, then we go back again, heel, toe, heel. Good. Then we do 4 walks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try that. So we just did our heel split. Our last 8 starts with heel, toe, heel, swivels to the right, then to the left. So heel, toe, heel, then heel, toe, heel, and walk, 2, 3, 4. The counts, last 8 are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's go through it with words and then with counts. Then I'll show you the restart and talk about some fun options. From the top with words. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right sailor step, left sailor step, right toe, right heel, and step, half pivot, body roll, clap, clap, and triple step, together heel split and heel, toe, heel, and walk, 2, 3, 4 with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Okay. Restart is on wall 3, which is your back wall after 16 counts. So it looks like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Restart. Right toe is up, so you just swing back to the sailor step. Yes. So that's it. That's the restart. Wall 3 after 16 counts. Your back wall. And some of the fun options are the body roll can be a drop to the ground and roll back up. Lots of fun on that one. And then the last 4 counts where you walk, 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 walk. Some people do gallops. Some people do jumps. So whatever works for you. The choreography is gallops, I think. 2, 3, 4. But a lot of people do walks and fun things with the last 4 counts. So enjoy. I'll see you on the dance.